Hey everyone, I'm Clara and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Canva or just want to learn how to design amazing posts easily, and this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to start using Canva, create your first design, and share some simple tips to make your work look professional. So stay with me till the end, and by the time we're done, you'll be ready to create your own beautiful designs in minutes. All right, let's get started.
To start working on Canva, first visit the official website at www.canva.com. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the top right corner and click on Sign Up. A pop-up window will appear with several options for creating your account. Canva offers different ways to sign up. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, or work email address. In this case, I'll be using my work email to create an account. After entering your email, Canva will send you a verification code. Simply copy the code from your email inbox and paste it into the verification box. Next, Canva will ask whether you'd like to set up a business account or a pro account. You'll also see an option for a 30-day free trial, which new users can take advantage of. For now, I'll skip this step. And that's it. Your Canva account has been created successfully. Once you create your Canva account and log in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which serves as your creative hub. At the top, you'll see a clean and modern banner titled Discover Our Latest Launches, which highlights Canva's newest tools and updates. Just below that, there's a search bar where you can search through millions of templates for almost any design type, from presentations and posters to social media posts and videos. Beside it, quick tabs like your designs, templates, and Canva AI allow you to jump directly to your previous work, explore template categories, or use Canva's powerful AI tool. Below the search bar, there's a row of category icons such as email, presentation, social media, video, print, whiteboard, sheet, website, and more. These shortcuts make it easy to start designing for a specific purpose with one click. Further down, you'll find the Explore Templates section, showcasing a wide variety of design options, including presentations, posters, resumes, emails, logos, flyers, brochures, Instagram posts, and more. Each category contains hundreds of professionally designed templates that you can customize to suit your brand or purpose. Below this is the Discover Canva area, where you can browse trending and featured templates like pitch decks, fashion ads, and announcements perfect for inspiration or quick design start. On the left sidebar, you'll see the main navigation menu. The Create button lets you start a new design from scratch. The Home tab brings you back to this dashboard anytime. The Projects tab stores all your saved designs and folders, while Templates gives full access to Canva's entire library. The Brand section is where you can manage your brand kit, including logos, fonts, and colors, and Canva AI offers creative automation tools like Magic Write or AI image generation. Under More, you can find settings, integrations, and other options. Finally, at the top right corner, there's an option to start a Canva Pro free trial, giving access to premium templates and features like background remover and advanced editing tools. Altogether, this dashboard is designed to be simple, organized, and beginner-friendly, everything you need to start designing visually stunning content within minutes. After exploring the Canva dashboard, the next step is to start designing. But before that, let's explore Canva price and planning. Canva offers 4 pricing plans to suit different types of users and design needs. The free plan is ideal for beginners or casual creators. It allows you to design without any cost, offering access to over 1.6 million templates, 4.7 million free photos, videos, and graphics. You also get one brand kit for your colors, logos, and fonts, along with 5 GB of cloud storage and limited AI design tools. Next is the Pro plan, priced at $120 per year for one person. This plan is perfect for professionals who want more creative freedom. It unlocks access to over 3.6 million templates, 141 million premium photos and videos, 5 brand kits, advanced AI design tools, 100 GB of cloud storage, and features to plan and schedule social media content. The business plan, available at $200 per year per person, is designed for teams and small businesses. It includes everything from the Pro Plan Plus collaboration tools, integrations with other platforms, centralized assets, team admin controls, 100 brand kits, higher AI access, 500 GB of cloud storage, and even a 10% discount on print orders. Finally, the enterprise plan is meant for large organizations that require advanced features and security. This plan includes enterprise-level controls, custom integrations, multi-team management with 1,000 brand kits, priority support, and 1 TB of cloud storage, along with a 10% discount on print orders. In short, Canva offers a flexible range of plans, from free tools for individuals to powerful, scalable options for growing businesses and enterprises. Now let's start designing. To do so, simply click on the Create a Design button, usually found on the top right corner or in the side panel. When you click it, a pop-up window appears. This pop-up lets you choose the size or type of design you want to create. At the top, there's a search bar where you can type what you'd like to design. For example, a YouTube thumbnail or Instagram post. Just below, you'll find quick action tools like Screen Recorder, Canva Code, Magic Write, Translate, Brand Kit, Content Planner, and Mockups, all designed to make content creation easier. In the Create New section, Canva offers ready-to-use standard sizes such as email, presentation, Instagram post, video, and flyer. You can pick one of these to instantly open the Canva editor and start designing. Below that, you'll also see Templates for you, which shows personalized template suggestions based on your design activity, making it even faster to begin your next project. So, in short, clicking the Create a Design button opens your gateway to start any design. Just select a format or search your preferred size, and Canva will launch your new canvas instantly. So let's move ahead and choose the Instagram post option. After selecting the Instagram post size, Canva takes you directly into the main design editor, which is where you'll create your post. In the center of the screen, you'll find a blank white canvas, perfectly sized for an Instagram post with a 4:5 ratio. This canvas serves as your primary workspace, where all your design elements, including text, images, icons, and graphics, will appear. On the left-hand side, there is a comprehensive toolbar that provides access to all the tools you need. The Design tab offers ready-made templates and styles that can be applied instantly, and you can also use the search bar to find themes such as fashion, fail, or minimal. The Elements section allows you to add shapes, lines, icons, stickers, photos, videos, graphics, charts, and more. Under Text, you'll find font options and styles suitable for titles, quotes, or captions. The Uploads tab lets you import images or videos from your computer, while the Brand section, available in Canva Pro, gives access to your brand kit, including logos, colors, and fonts. Finally, Projects and Apps help you organize your designs or integrate external tools like Google Drive and Pixabay. At the top of the editor, the menu bar provides essential options such as File, Resize, Undo, Redo, and other editing tools. You can also rename your design by clicking on the title at the top. When you select a template from the left sidebar, it automatically loads onto your canvas, allowing you to start customizing immediately. Let's see how we can edit a template in Canva. Start by going to the Design tab and selecting the template you want to work with. I like this one, so let's go ahead and use it. The first thing to do is rename your design to keep everything organized. Before you start customizing, it's always a good idea to use rulers and guides for precise alignment. To access them, go to File, settings, rulers, and guides, or simply use the shortcut Control plus Shift plus R. Now you can begin customizing your template. Change the fonts, adjust the colors, and add elements as needed. If you want to update the entire design's color scheme and fonts in one click, head over to the Style section and select a pre-made combination of colors and font. Keep experimenting and adjusting until you are completely satisfied with the final look.
Once you've finished editing your design, go to the File menu and select Download. Canva offers multiple download options. You can export your design as PNG, JPG, PDF, and more. Choose your preferred format and click Download. Your file will begin downloading automatically. Now let's see how to create a design from scratch using Canva elements. First, I'll add some text to create a heading for my design. Go to the Text tab and select Add a Heading, then type your heading. I don't like this font, so let's change it. Go to the Font menu and choose a new one. Next, I'll use Canva elements to make the design more interactive. Go to Elements and under Shapes, select a square. Place it on the canvas and expand it to the desired size. Let's adjust the color to match our design theme. This color looks perfect. Now, I want to make the square corners rounded. To do this, select the square, open the Properties panel, and adjust the corner rounding slider as needed. You can also add an outline stroke. Simply increase or decrease the line width and change the line style from solid to dashed if you prefer. For this design, I'll skip adding an outline. Next, I'll add another element, a checkmark icon. Search for right tick in the Elements tab. Choose the one you like and change its color to match the design. Resize it and place it inside the rectangle. Now, duplicate this rectangle with the tick using the shortcut Control plus D. I'll add a subheading. Make it smaller and change the font. This one looks good, so I'll use it. Then I'll write the content inside each rectangle. Go to Top Property menu and format this text. Repeat the same process to fill all sections with your text. Finally, at the bottom of the design, I'll add my website name. A few helpful tips for you. To group elements, right-click and select Group, or use the shortcut Control plus G. To ungroup, use Control plus Shift plus G. To make your design more attractive, use frames to insert images. You can also apply text effects to make your text stand out. Adjust opacity to control transparency. Add bullet points and explore other formatting options to enhance your layout. Once you're done, simply download your design and your Canva design is ready to share. And that's it for today's Canva tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how easy it is to design with Canva, even if you're just starting out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who want to learn Canva too.